Hello and welcome to the highlights of the Pakistan Junior League Match 8, Hyderabad Hunters versus Rawalpindi Raiders. The toss was won by Rawalpindi Raiders and the captain decided to bat first. Both the teams making one change each. Fahad Amin comes into 11 for Hyderabad and Rawalpindi bring in Naveed Khan.
We're at the Gaddafi Stadium in Lahore. It's match number 8 of the Pakistan Junior League. Ball one.
Immediately gap found and 4 runs. So that decision to bat first already proving to be successful. Just over the fielder in that mid-off position. He will get 4. Second boundary of the first over. Zubair Jr. And he goes after him straight away. Ezekiel just playing this lofted drive over, wide of long off. Here is that beautiful stroke once more. Not a 4 this time. I just suspect it's gone all the way for a 6. Clipped away onside, and that's a biggie. Flies for 6. Well, after a few dot deliveries, he's released the pressure with this fine stroke through the onside.
He's just opened up the valve a little bit. Let the air out. He's picked it up nicely. Hasn't tried to force it. There was a man on the boundary, square on the leg side, but that's gone way over.
My goodness, that's a dazzling stroke once more over that long off region.
No, he would have deliberately tried to bowl it outside the off stump because that straight to delivery picked up for 6 easily. But this is an absolutely gorgeous stroke.
No ball. So it will not be a dismissal. The no ball call was made quite early. Full toss. Wayward delivery and gets the treatment. Habibullah races to 20 and joins his partner. This is good going by the Raiders. Slow delivery. Hammered down the ground.
It's a slow ball. Length. Dispatched. 28 off the over. So far, the most expensive.
Slower delivery. Wide half volley. Taking a beating, Farhat Amin. You won't want to remember this over. 32 runs coming from it. Went for the pull shot and given a life. Well, they're compounding the issue here. The Hunters not helping themselves.
Oh, a little bit high. No, given out. They needed something. It was all going wrong for them in the power play.
And the impact is within the stumps, on the off stump. It's only the height.
Habibullah goes for 39. Rawalpindi 69 for 1. Something will give, and they had to go at it. It's massive, huge. It's half a dozen out of here.
And that is Hassan Isa Khail, son of Muhammad Nabi. He has been promoted up the order, and he's showing why. Excellent use of feet, using those long levers.
More runs here. Bad lines have also been the problem. It's made it easier for the batters. Oh, direct. He's gone. He's got to be out. He's not getting up. He knows he's out. That is a terrible second run, but that direct hit.
Nowhere near getting home. That is a brilliant bit of fielding.
Again, direct hit. Again, direct hit. Going up. This might not be as close as the previous one, but surely the way the reactions show, they seem to be quite sure.
And he's not home, he's out. That is another brilliant bit of fielding.
Down the wicket, and he plays it straight into the hands of Muneeb. The man whose banners are being held in the ground. Muneeb takes the catch, and they take the big one. Suddenly, Rawalpindi Raiders are just nosediving.
And he's given this away. He's played some glorious strokes all evening. This one gave himself room coming down, and he's just hit it straight down the throat of long off.
Yeah, put it in the gap as well. We'll try and pick up two, will pick up two. The rain is just starting to fall a little bit now, heavier, and I think the umpires are just about to call the covers to be brought on. Yes, you can see they are 125 for 4 of 16. They've been waiting for a while, haven't they, that all the grounds people are ready to run on with all the different mats and under mats. They'll try and get it covered as quickly as possible. There is rain in the area, and there's a little bit of lightning as well, so I'm sure they'll get it covered up really quickly, and you can see that gives it away. Something I didn't think, Darren, I would see in Lahore.
It was a rain-interrupted game and lasted 16 overs when the match was stopped. At that stage, Rawalpindi Raiders scored 125 for 4 with the help of a brilliant opening partnership between Hassani Sakhel, 52, and Captain Habibullah, 39. The bowlers didn't have much of a say in the innings, as only 2 could grab wickets, Wasif and Wood with 1 each. The rest of the bowlers were hit all over the park.
Great news here at the Gaddafi Stadium in Lahore. As we look to continue this match number 8, we will have play, and there are some revised conditions for you to take note of. Of course, the rains have come, and now we'll have a truncated game. Only 5 overs remaining in the second half of this match. That 5 overs will constitute 2 overs of power play. 2 bowlers will bowl a maximum of 2, and the target 55 in 5 overs for the Hyderabad Hunters.
Here we go.
Amira with the first ball, the left arm seamer. Runs straight away. Off the outside edge, and catch taken. So first wicket for the Raiders. Hyderabad.
Yeah, first ball for Arbez as well, and that back of a length, maybe the moisture just helps it just skid through, and it's a good catch. Zaya Ullah, who's down at 3rd, and it's a good start.
Goes high, offside, and it's got the distance to go for 4. So that's a positive end to the over. Hyderabad Hunters finish after 1 over, 9 for 1. And again, chance for the run out, and the umpire will just check and review.
Muneeb Waseeb was hit in a not very nice area and couldn't run. Absolutely, he's gone. He's not even in the frame.
That's much better. Word of advice, properly executed, and he gets another wicket.
Perfect. Into the surface, that 4th stump line. Look, pitches outside.
There is another. And it's not the delivery that goes away from the right-hander. It nips in, hits that off stump.
This one again, just nipped back.
Still no boundary. Yep, there's one. Blunder in the field. Did get his body around, but just slid past the ball that allowed it to trickle into the boundary line.
I can forgive a little bit of this now with how damp the outfield is. You can see how the slide in, it is a bit wet still.
That sounded good. Sounded really good. Goes all the way for half a dozen, and that's a clean, firm strike.
Now it's changed. Now it is changed. 4 and 6, 10 off 2 balls, 20 off 10. Now you've got these 4 balls left. Now the pressure is back on. This game was all nearly done by the Raiders, but all of a sudden now, the Hunters, they are hunting.
Stumping effected. So after 10 runs conceded, Naveed finally gets his man and then changes the equation too.
Yeah, it's good wicket keeping this as well. Very good from Kai Smith. Just watch this, doesn't bounce too much, he stays low. Look how low he goes. It's a good take. It's a brilliant stumping.
That's one. Is that one? One into the fielder's hands.
Zubair Jr. just didn't get enough. He's new to the crease. It's so good because he goes into the surface and wide as well, so he has to try and drag it. Simple catch.
Went for the big shot, doesn't have the distance, and he goes, perishes via the same route he's caught.
What's being clever is he's just bowled it into the surface. And he's got a bit of grip as well.
That might be his hat-trick, yes! First hat-trick of the Pakistan Junior League going to Afnan Khan. There's something about this young man. With bat, with ball, he's a genuine star. Wow, he sealed the deal for his team. Rawalpindi Raiders on fire.
Again, look how clever into the surface. Not easy for any batter coming out, trying to hit the ball out of the park. And another catch for Amir Hassan.
Last delivery of the innings. And it's a dot delivery. And it produces a win to the Rawalpindi Raiders. A convincing one.